Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profits for today. As you guys can clearly see, it is $90.73, and that is on ticker symbol AMZN, which is Amazon. You can clearly see that Amazon has been killing it for the past couple weeks. It's absolutely insane. It's passing 33.44, and it's the market has been overall insane. If we can take a look here at /NQ, this is the overall trends of the future. It's just going non-stop. Like this year has been absolutely insane. So yeah, let's just go back into my trade and I can show you how I profited. So we'll just go here quick to the 1 minute chart, and let's just turn this on right here. So show trades. Okay, and yeah, so in the morning, what usually happens is I wait a little bit before the market opens before you take any trade. That's it's very critical that you don't go in. One being the Thinkorswim platform can actually mess you up, and you don't want that. So you want to just wait a couple minutes, like whether like 5-10 minutes or so, and then go ahead and take your trade. As for me, I waited until Amazon sold off. So Amazon has a history of selling off and then bouncing up in the mornings. If we take a look here, it's either selling off hard and then bouncing up. This was from yesterday, but we're focused on today. So after it bounces off here, this VWAP line right here, we can clearly see the RSI has been oversold, weighted. Again, what do I continue saying? You don't want to time it. Like, you can time it if you're a really good trader, but if you're planning on being profitable 90% of the time, try to wait until the candle is over the EMA line, this line right here. And once it goes over this light blue line, you want to make sure you get in your trade and then get out. Like, that's what I usually do. I usually do scalp. So it was a really nice push up that we had. I made my quick profits. And again, what makes a really good trader is that he or she can profit whether it's a red day or it's a green day. But you can clearly see that Amazon had a red day today, and which is negative $75 or 2.44%. And then that was it. I made my profits for today. I went on my business, and it just continued selling off. It did, however, in fact, bounce off and recovered a little bit, but right now it's selling all the way off. What you never want to do, again, like I stressed in the past videos, is that you don't want to overtrade. So let's say, for instance, if I wanted to get back in and then I didn't time it correctly, and then I ended up bag holding. Like, you don't want to become a bag holder. Trust me, you do not want to become a bag holder. So yeah, that's pretty much my profits for today. Not sure how you guys have been doing, if you've been profiting over this really insane bull rally, because it's just the market has been doing some unexplainable things that I can't even fathom right now. And yesterday I actually took a profit as well. I made about like $64. Again, you can clearly see I waited a little bit. Market opens, bounced off this EMA line right here. Always make sure it's on top if you're going long. If you're shorting, that's a different story. And I made about like $64. So it's no different. All you need to do is just, guys, I'm telling you, you have to practice. Just keep practicing, and it's just gonna make sense. It's gonna make you a better trader as you go along. Don't try to focus on the money aspect of it, but focus on the actual process of it. So my process is either I make sure and I paper trade a lot before getting back into my live account right here, and just continue doing whatever I need to do in order to build this account up to where I need it to be. Yeah, so that's it for today. Just let me know in the comment section down below how you guys have been doing. Are you guys like killing the game right now? Are you guys planning on you know, shorting stuff since the market has been taking a huge hit. It's absolutely crazy where the market has been going right now. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below how things are with you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like, you know, smash that subscribe button, all that good stuff, turn on the notification bell, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. You know what to do. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.